In this video, I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Copilot from Windows 11. To get started, I move my mouse down to the Windows taskbar and click on the search box. I type the word Settings using my keyboard. As soon as I do that, the Settings app appears at the very top of the list under the Best Match section. I click on it to open my system settings. Once the settings window fully loads on my screen, I direct my attention to the navigation menu on the left side. I look down the list and click on the Apps category. Now, on the right side of the window, I am presented with a few different options. I click on the very first option here, which is Installed Apps. This brings up a complete and detailed list of all the applications currently installed on my computer. The apps might take just a brief moment to populate. Because this list is sorted alphabetically by default, I slowly scroll down through my applications to look for the Copilot program. I keep scrolling through the list until I locate Copilot right here. To remove it from my computer, I move my cursor all the way to the right side of the Copilot entry and click on the button with the 3 horizontal dots. A small context menu drops down. From this menu, I click on Uninstall. Immediately, a small confirmation box pops up, letting me know that this app and its related information will be uninstalled from the system. I click the Uninstall button inside this pop-up one more time to confirm my decision and initiate the final removal process. The system processes the request, and within a few moments, Copilot completely disappears from my installed apps list. To verify that it has been properly removed, I scroll all the way back up to the top of the settings page. I click inside the search bar at the very top of the settings window and type Copilot. I click on the Copilot hardware choice search result just to ensure the primary application integration is gone. Everything looks good, so I close out of the settings window entirely. For one final check, I click on the main Windows search bar on my desktop taskbar one more time. I type Copilot into the search field. As you can see, the Copilot application no longer appears as an installed program, and the search only brings up standard web results and a leftover image file. I close the search panel, and my system is now completely clear of the Copilot app. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.